downtown. It's my only solution.
Hello guys, this is Casey and welcome aboard Seafarer TV. Never still new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and tap the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Currently, I am staying in a quarantine facility waiting for my swab test. I hope my swab test will come out negative. I already have a flight details and we will be leaving the country on April 11th. Since I am at the quarantine facility and I don't have any idea what I am going to do here, and I will be telling you what all the things that I am going to bring on board. If you're really interested what are the things that I will be bringing with me on board, just keep this video rolling. But as you can see, I am wearing this hat. I got this merch from the Seaman's bar, and I also got a t-shirt. So if you're interested in purchasing their apparels, I will be placing the link in the description box below. Anyway, as a girl, I have a lot of things that I will be bringing with me. I see to it that I bring everything with me for the next 6 months of my contract. That actually takes up a lot of space in my luggage. From the sanitary pads, to the lotion, to toner, to medicine, and the list goes on. I will not be itemizing what are the things that I will be bringing. What just comes into my mind, I'll just say to you. Hindi naman ako ganun ka-organized. So, last contract, I stayed there for 12 months and I experienced scarcity. Scarcity is a term. Anyway, I ran out of lotion, facial moisturizer, even facial wash.
Also run out of sanitary pads.
So if you're a lady and you're watching this, you need to bring with you a sanitary pads. When I was a cadet, I used to bring 12 packs of this sanitary pads, but right now, since I am an officer, I'll just be bringing 6 packs of this one. That will be good for my entire contract. I also have medicine with me. May kulang na nga. And because I am a tita of the Philippines, I have with me this efficacent oil rub, conditioner, and Listerine, deodorant, toothpaste, perfume. Hold on. Lipet para sa mga babae. Main facial wash. Anyways, you can notice all of the stuff that contain liquid in it, I sealed it with a masking tape. To minimize the risk of them spilling in our luggages, then we have to seal it with a masking tape. And I have been doing this since I was a cadet. And this is a very good trick, guys. If you are new or if you are just sailing for the first time, sealing your liquids with a masking tape will do the trick. My fitness body, I am trying to work out and just stay fit. So I hope that this fitness body will help me with my fitness journey. So you also need to pack with you your uniform, whether you were a cadet, a raging lady that wants to get promoted, an officer. This is very essential. I'll be bringing with me this full face mask. I got all of this from the sidewalk vendor and it just cost 50 pesos. As a seafarer, you will see all of us wearing like this whenever we are on deck. I also go on deck whenever I do moorings and whenever I take care of my babies, I need to wear all of it. I also bring with me my blanket, my towel, my pillowcases, and my bed sheet. I am not sensitive, but it's just that it makes me feel comfortable whenever I use my own things. For the shades, guys, kahit wala namang makapitan, kasi pango tayo. Where I see to it that I bring with me 3 sets of eyewear. One is my aviator, second is my reading glasses, and the third is my anti-radiation glasses that has blue film in it. And since we are doing the cold climate voyages, I brought with me my long johns and also my wool coats, and I pretty much have a lot of jackets packed with me. That's why my luggage is very full of things. As for my footwear, I have 5 sets of footwear. I know, right? It's very crazy. First, my sandals. Second, safety shoes. Third, Adidas shoes. Fourth, running shoes. And fifth is my uniform shoes. So it's crazy, right? I bring a lot of stuff with me. We are already supplied with coveralls, so that makes also our luggage very heavy. I will be bringing with me 3 sets of coveralls. What are the gadgets that I will be bringing on board and how I am going to set up my vlogging camera. These are the things that I will be putting inside my 7-kilo carry-on baggage. As I was looking through the things that I am going to buy for my vlogging setup, I came across this light. I got this from One Gadgets, and the brand is Allowance. It has 5 strands of lightning. We're going to turn it on. This to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It says here, Giveaway Tuesday. We have a free product review activity every Tuesday. If you are willing to review our product on YouTube, we will give away a free product. So as you can see, that is me. Hello. Our first vlogging camera setup. You just have to turn it on and say hi. That's me there. Camera I got from DJI Mimo, and this tripod I got from Samsung, which is a free. Our second camera setup. So this will be our second camera setup. We are going to zoom it in. That's me there. Hello. And this will be our So these are the things that I will be bringing on board with me. As for my gadgets, hope that this will help me in my vlogging journey, because as for now, I am still trying very hard to make my videos nice. But the thing is, it seems like I'm not that talented. So to all of my subscribers who are watching my videos, I hope that you will still continue to support me, because right now I am still clueless on how to make my videos very nice or very attractive. Even I don't have good contents right now. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found this video very informative, though it's very crazy because I have a lot of things to bring with me on board. And actually right now I've already tried to weigh it. When you travel internationally, one of your luggage should be 20 kilos and the other should also be 20 kilos, and you're also only allowed with 7 kilos carry-on luggage. So I am still on the safe side. Thank you guys for joining me again, and I will hope to see you once again whenever I post a new video. This has been Casey, and you're watching Casey Seafarer TV. Now, to all of you who has not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and tap that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Ciao!